Intro. Hello, fellow programmers. Today, we're embarking on a coding journey through the Piscine CO exam questions, utilizing the classic Turbo C environment. This series is designed to demystify the process of writing C code for beginners and intermediate programmers alike. We'll be diving into each exercise, breaking down the code line by line to ensure you grasp the underlying concepts and logic. Let's get started. Directory overview. Before we jump into the code, let's understand our working directory. Our projects are organized under Piscine COO, with each exercise in its respective subfolder ranging from X00 to X05. This structure keeps our work organized and easily navigable. Now onto the coding exercises. XO ft_putchar.c explanation. Exercise 0 is our starting point, where we create a function ft_putcher to write a single character to the standard output. The hash include unistd. Each line at the top includes the Unix standard library, giving us access to the write function. Discuss the ft_putcher function in detail, explaining how write is used to output a character. X01 ft_print_alphabet.c explanation. Moving on to exercise 01, ft_print_alphabet. This function loops from A to Z, printing each letter. We initialize a char variable A with 97, the ASCII code for A, and increment it inside a while loop until it exceeds 122, Z's ASCII code. Explain the loop's logic and the use of ASCII values. X02 ft_print_reverse_alphabet.c explanation. In exercise 02, we reverse the alphabet, using a similar structure to X01 but starting from Z and decrementing the value. This showcases the versatility of loops and working with ASCII values in reverse. Detail the adjustments made to reverse the alphabet printing. X03 ft_print_numbers.c explanation. Exercise 03 ft_print_numbers introduces us to numeric characters. We loop from 0 to 9, printing each digit. This exercise highlights the concept of iterating over numeric characters, bridging the gap between numeric values and their character representations. Discuss the straightforward loop used for printing numbers. X04 ft_is_negative.c explanation. Next up, exercise 04's ft_is_negative function demonstrates basic conditional logic. It takes an integer, checks if it's negative, and prints n or p accordingly. This function uses an if-else statement, a fundamental programming construct. Break down the conditional logic and character output. X05 ft_print_com.c explanation. Finally, exercise 05 ft_print_com challenges us with a more complex problem, printing all combinations of 3 different digits in ascending order. This requires nested loops and careful control of conditions to ensure each combination is unique and correctly formatted. Explain the nested loop structure and the logic for generating and printing combinations. Outro. We've now explored each exercise in the Piscine CO exam, dissecting the code to understand how each function works and its purpose. Remember, practice is key to mastering programming. Try modifying the code, experiment with different logic, and see what you can create. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Happy coding!